solution has several advantages. Firstly, we're adopting our Mech Eye Deep 3D camera, and it can support various pilot patterns with high precision, large field of view, and deep depths of field. And secondly, we're applying our AI algorithms, which means that the patterns with different patterns and sizes can all be recognized. And thirdly, we don't need to specify the pilot pattern beforehand. Patterns can be tightly packed or randomly placed, and one single cycle can be as fast as 4.3 seconds. And next, complex situations such as carton inclination and carton tightly packing, cartons with express peels, tapes, cable ties can all be solved. And lastly, the system can be used together with logistic equipment such as AGV, conveyor belt, etc. Here in this demo, we're presenting two Mech Mind self-developed high-precision industrial 3D camera models. The first one is Mech Eye Laser 3D camera, and the second one is Mech Eye ROAS 3D camera. And for the brand new 3D laser camera Mech Eye Laser, it is robust against ambient light with high precision and can well recognize sacks, cartons, and bins, and able to handle complex situations such as objects that are tightly packed or randomly placed, objects deformation, and objects with wrinkles, patterns, tapes, express fields on the surface. And for Mech Eye ROAS 3D camera, it is stable and reliable with high precision and also generate high-quality point cloud data for various typical goods. There are some advantages for this solution. Firstly, we're adopting Mech Eye ProAm 3D camera, and the camera is with high precision, stable, and reliable. Secondly, you don't need to pre-register the goods. It can support a variety of real express parcels, including logistic cartons, poly bags, jiffy packs, bubble mailers, envelopes, etc. And thirdly, the speed is really high. The picking cycle can reach up to 1,600 pieces per hour. And next, it can be used together with logistic equipment such as barcode scanner, cross-belt sorter, etc. And lastly, we have the built-in collision detection, path planning, and other advanced algorithms. You don't need to worry about collisions or singularities. There are a number of solution advantages for this solution. Firstly, you don't need to pre-register goods, and it can support a large number of goods including box-shaped, bag-shaped, and bottle-shaped. And secondly, the picking cycle for small light pieces can reach 1,200 per hour, which is really fast. And thirdly, it is able to handle complex situations such as goods of small sizes, black surfaces, transparent packaging, fruit boxes, and even goods with considerably reflective surfaces and irregularities. And fourthly, it has the built-in collision detection, path planning, and other advanced algorithms, and you don't need to worry about collisions or singularities. And next, we have the visualized programming interface, and you only need to do one click, and then the whole simulation of robot movement is done. And code-free programming can be realized, and it enables a low threshold for robot operators. And lastly, it can be seamlessly integrated with logistic equipment such as WMS system, a sorting system, AGV, and others to pick goods on demand.